What's up guys, this is Tristan, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're gonna be talking about the state of the CS2 market and if Valve are trying to kill cases. This has been a topic that's been brought up a lot in the past few days because of some new laws that the EU has introduced in order to protect kids from in-game video game loot boxes, which includes CS2 cases of course. Now Valve have been trying to adjust to this, and of course we can tell that because of the release of the terminal sort of case, which they released instead of a traditional normal case very recently. This is of course a way for Valve to release a case that plays around the rules of loot boxes and doesn't quite count as a loot box or a gambling mechanic, as you already know what you're getting and there's a set price that you pay for it before you get it, and so it doesn't have too much in common with the normal traditional CS2 cases. But the sad truth is that if Valve continue to release these kinds of updates and stop with the cases altogether, the CS2 market as a whole will collapse eventually, and the way that skins have worked all this time will not be the same ever again. In a few years, the CS2 market will look extremely different if they keep releasing updates like this. The next update after the terminal that they released, which continues the trend of them trying to move in a new direction and stop with the cases, is of course the new trade up update, which allows you to trade up to knives. This is the way that they came up with to make knives accessible to people without making cases the only way for people to get knives. This suggests that they're looking to go in a whole new direction altogether and stop with the cases completely, trying to come up with a new system that allows people to have access to skins much more easily and have all the money go to Valve directly instead of relying on the loot box mechanic for Valve to make money and then have the skins be accessible to people through the Steam market. So should you panic right now and liquidate all of your investments as soon as possible? Well, of course not. I don't think that you should operate under panic and just make rash decisions without thinking things through or having concrete evidence that things are moving in the wrong direction for the CS2 market. But we should definitely keep an eye out for our investments and make sure that we trust in the CS2 market as a whole for the months to come, as it's very possible that Valve are now trying to transition the CS2 market in a way that might make investing in it completely obsolete. And the new updates that they may release in the very near future may just be like the recent trade-up update, which if they do, the CS2 market will be sure to tank in prices again and have the market cap drop significantly, have skins prices be adjusted accordingly, and it will not be a good situation to be in as an investor, of course. But let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think that the CS2 market is dying? Do you think that CSGO skins as a whole are coming to an end? Will Valve allow this to happen? Will they make sure that this happens themselves? Let me know what you think in the comments down below if you want to, and I will see you in the next video, man. Peace.